Hey everyone, Jenn Feiman with the Starr Realty Group and Keller Williams Realty. I am super excited to tell you about our newest listing hitting the market in Guilford next week. You're not going to want to miss the opportunity to check this wonderful raised ranch out. Pride of ownership abounds here. From the yard and the gardens, gleaming hardwood floors throughout, 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, finished lower level, the perfect space for a den, potentially an in-law setup, office, studio, gym, whatever your heart desires. 2-car attached garage, wonderful sunroom in the back of the house, as you can see right behind me. There's a great deck as well. Beautiful grounds here. Nice and quiet, lightly wooded, tucked away yet centrally located, really close to the highways, the center of town, shopping, restaurants. Give me a call today for more information about this amazing home, 203-868-2359. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.